my gosh.
Naku.
Pagising ko ng umaga, chinek ko ang telepono ko. Ang sabi ni Feli, Kim, I have terrible, terrible news. The first thing I did, lumuhod muna ako. Sabi ko, Lord, sana hindi to tunay. Sana nag-attempt. Sana nasuspital. So I called Feli. And then Feli said, Eman is gone. Nalambot ako talaga noon. Ito na yung kinakatakutan ko. Kung merong isang bagay akong kinakatakutan sa buong buhay ko na mangyari, ito yun. Nangyari na nga. Naalala ko yung GMA Ball. Doon tayo nag-red carpet.
At siya yung date mo.
Siya yung date ko. And I remember Eman, she was so beautiful that night in her black dress. And I was so proud of her because she was so beautiful. And debut niya yun eh. Sabi pa niya, this is my very first red carpet in my life. And that night was just so beautiful.
Nakausap ko rin ang ate ni Eman na si Eliana. 2 taon lang ang pagitan nila.
It's nice to be reminded of the kind of person that she was. Right? I don't know what to wear anymore.
Makikita ring dumalo ang ilang sikat na personalidad na malapit sa pamilya Atienza. Abangan ang aking buong panayam sa 24 oras.